again.
Hi.
Junior.
Hi, Sam.
Do it again.
Hi, Sam.
Sally.
Hi, Sam.
Lexi.
Hey, Sam.
Jordan. In the room, don't think he is.
Hi, Sam.
Maisie.
Hi, Sam.
Let's say that again.
Hi, Sam.
Darcy. Oh, you're there. Probably not Darcy. It's one of the girls, I think. Say it again.
Hi, Sam.
I have absolutely no idea. Next.
Hi, Sam.
Chloe. Have I already guessed it?
Hi, Sam.
Hang on. I'm trying to think who's in the room. Tyler? Ruby?
Hi, Sam.
Say it again.
Hi, Sam.
Hi, Sam. I think that might have been Ruby as well. She's in the room. I don't know. I think that whole side is Ruby. Is that possible?
Hi, Sam.
That was Tiger Blue.
Hi, Sam.
Ada. Easy.
Hello, Sam.
I think that was Tyler. No.
Hello, Sam.
That was Chloe.
Right, look that way. That's how many you got right. That's how many you got wrong.